They are abandoned. They do not get a chance to step in a school. They are left to fend for themselves on the streets. They suffer from many forms of violence. They do not have access even to primary health care. They are subjected to cruel and inhuman treatments every day. They are children, innocent, young and beautiful, who are deprived of their rights. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूं मैं, तेरे मासूम सवालों के से परेशान हूं मैं. जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, दर्द संभालने होंगे, मुस्कुराने काबिल कभी तो लगता है कि जैसे होठों पे कर्ज रखा है. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूं मैं. The story of every deprived child. In the history of human rights, the rights of children are the most ratified. The United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child defines child rights as the minimum entitlement and freedoms that should be afforded to every children below the age of 18, regardless of race, nation, origin, color, gender, language, religion, opinion, wealth, birth, status, disability, or other characteristics. Rotary understands this and has waged a war on illiteracy and will ensure that every child gets their due. We have pledged to send back 100,000 children back to school, give them an opportunity to lead a life of dignity. Through Asha Kiran, our flagship project till date, RILM has sent back nearly about 40,000 children back to school using 2,373 Asha Kiran centers, 32 NGOs across 15 states. And we will continue to do so till every child in this country, in this world, is back to school and educated. Because education is the most powerful weapon which is used to change the world. And as Malala Yousafzai said, history is neither sent from the sky, nor does it get up made by itself. It is we who make history. It is we who become history. So let us make history, bring change by becoming the change. Let us not forget, one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Thank you.